Hi friends, in previous video we discussed about how to create a page and how to edit the page. In this video I am going to discuss about the features of page properties, how to unlock the page and lock the page, and how to use the copy and what is the difference between copy and live copy, and how to move the file from one folder to another folder. Let's discuss one by one. Go to properties. In properties we have for basic, advanced, thumbnail, and permissions and blueprint options are available. In basics we have for title, tags, and on time, off time, and vanity options also available. In advanced we have for language settings and template setting, authentication record. These are all the information available. For thumbnail we can select the preview image, and blueprint which page this having for current live copies. And now for lock. If you have done any changes but it's not moved live, so if you want to keep it for safe, then I am going to use for lock option. And then copy. If you want to copy this page to another folder, like I am selecting this page and copy, and go to Italio and paste the page. Select and go to page properties. You can see there is no blueprint option available, but in our current page for English experience, first page, go to properties, go to blueprint. We have for 3 live copies. So this is the difference between copy and live copy. And next one is for move. If you want to move the file from one folder to another folder, I am going to use this option. I am going to use the same name, so I am going to click next and select the destination, Arabic, then next. Here it is showing the page is published already. So I am going to move page. Okay. Here you see from English experience, first page I am going to move under main. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends. Thanks again.